The topic of today's video is how to split screens in Davinci Resolve. So here we are in the Edit tab, and what I've done is I've just taken two images and I've put them on top of each other on two separate tracks in the timeline. So what we're going to do is take our first clip, so clip that's on top of the other one, and we're going to make sure we've clicked on it so it's highlighted in red, and then we're going to go to the inspector. And all we're going to do is reposition it so he stands a bit on the side here. And then we're going to crop it. Crop left. And now we're going to go and click on the image that's at the back. And we're going to just reposition that one. Move her to the side. I should color match these. And once we're happy with that, we can play around with the softness, just so that it gives that effect of not having a line right in the middle of the two and the picture sort of fading into each other. That's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.